know what? It's my Chi. I pulled up, face on a murder, can't face beat, yeah,
Thank you so much for tuning into my channel. As you can see by the title, today I'm showing you how I create my beautiful yarn twist wigs and how I install it. The supplies that you will need will be whatever type of closure you would like of your choosing. I'm using a 13 by 4 lace closure. You will also need crochet hook, yarn, as well as a lighter. And right here I'm just sewing down that closure. And if you haven't already, be sure to check out my yarn braided wig video. It shows you how to crochet hook the hair into the mesh cap, so that way it acts as your extensions. And once you've done that, you're pretty much just twisting or styling as if you would with regular connect-a-line hair. What I like about the yarn is that it is lightweight. So this unit is not going to be heavy at all if you were to have this many type of twists on using regular connect-a-line hair. So I really like this method. Yeah, it's like the absolute best. When you get towards the end, I usually reach a stopping point, but what you would do, you can twist all the way down if you like. And for the ends of this, I actually burned the ends. I prefer to comb them out to give a more natural look, but because I wanted to make sure that I finished this unit within a timely manner, I was going somewhere, I needed to have it done. So I just opted to just burn the ends of it once I was done twisting. Here I'm showing you just a more detailed step for how I attach the yarn to the yarn piece that's been crocheted in, and basically how I start off my twist. I think everybody has a different method for how they start off. Some people like to start off with braids, and some people like to start off with twists. I do either or. I haven't really I find that if I use the twisting method on super fine hair, it slips out because that's what happens with me. So I have to make sure that I braid at least a ½ an inch worth of hair, and then I begin twisting. Right here I have a little flyaway. Just take your lighter and burn that flyaway real quick to put it in. You know, it's real simple. It takes it right on out. Here I'm just showing you we are pretty much done with the back for the most part, and they look so neat. They're so clean. I like this look. It's not like super heavy, and we're gonna close in those small gaps and then just start twisting on the closure. But I just want you to admire how neat these twists look already. And here is the finished look. All of it has been twisted up. I left a little bit of baby hairs out for the edges, but for the most part, this was just a quick style that I put in, but I love it. I love how it looks. So let's get ready for the install.